A trademark basically defines an identity that makes your product or service distinct from others. It is a way to protect your brand when you start making money and stopping others copying your brand. I'm Ashish Prasad, and in this video, let's talk about trademark and how having a trademark can positively impact your business growth. To give you an overview, Trademarks Act of 1999 is divided into a total of 45 categories or classes, in which classes 1 to 34 deal with goods and classes 35 to 45 deal with services. You might be wondering what a class is. Let's take a look at an example now. If you want to register a brand called SOFTRE Cafe, you need to understand the class under which coffee shop falls under. In this case, cafes fall under class 43, that is services for providing food, drink and temporary accommodation. You can quickly check and confirm the availability of the brand on the government website, that's ipindiaonline.gov.in, and you would be able to go forward with the application. For each application per class, there is a government fee of 4,500 rupees, which is for a period of 10 years if you're a proprietor or an individual. And an MSME registered company gets the same price also. Bear in mind, it will cost twice the amount for companies per class, that is 9,000, and of course the trademark attorney's fee. On top of that, at SOFTRE, we work with experienced trademark attorneys. The way we have structured is that your trademark is registered without having to spend a lot of money with a fixed cost pricing. Your trademark is a unique identity of a mark that can be a logo, word, image, symbol, initials, or a combination of all of this. Then, once you register a trademark under the Trademarks Act of 1999, you have the right to appeal against others who try to copy your trademark, and no one can use a similar trademark to the one that is already registered. The next question is, what are the documents that are required to file a trademark application to register? That's pretty straightforward. All you need is your identity documents and proof of the applicant, such as driving license, passport, or your voter ID. Along with any one of them, you must also submit proof of use of the brand with invoices, receipts, marketing materials to identify the date since the brand is in use. What happens next is that on behalf of you, an attorney is authorized to file the trademark application with the Trademarks Registrar. Okay, moving on to the next part, the trademark registration process takes place in 4 simple steps. Step 1, it's filing your trademark application. Once your trademark application is applied for, you can start using a little TM sign next to the brand. Step 2 is Vienna codification, which is a crucial step from the Trademarks Registry. It is an international classification that is given once you file the application form. If the trademark includes figurative elements or a logo, then all such applications will be processed under Vienna codification. Then comes step 3, which is the examination of the mark by an officer who will check the basic information filed in the application and the attached document is mapping up to what your business is about. They will verify whether all the information entered is true or correct. The officer might accept or object to the application as per his or her discretion. Moving on, step 4 is pretty simple. If the trademark application is accepted, then there will not be anything else to be done from your end. You will receive your trademark certificate within a few months. Normally that's about 6 months, and it also depends on the backlog. Once the trademark is registered, you can start using the registered symbol or the R symbol next to your logo or your brand, stating that this is a registered trademark of your company. If the trademark application is objected, the applicant will need to respond to the objection and go for a hearing. The application will be approved if the officer is convinced at the hearing by the documents provided. If the officer is not convinced, once again, the application may be rejected. As an additional note, the priority of an enterprise should be registering a trademark in India before chasing protection in another country. The main reason is that trademarks are issued by the country where you apply for, and it is only valid for that country specifically where it was issued. Now that's a quick look into registering a trademark in India. So feel free to reach out for any clarifications or a free consultation. The idea of this channel is to help you make informed decisions for your business. It's more of the lessons I have personally learned with SOFTRE. I hope you learned something new. If you did, remember to subscribe to our channel, where we will be covering all the things that you need to know about running a startup in this series, that's Startup 101. Alright, that's it from me now. I'm Ashish Prasad from SOFTRE, and I'll see you soon on the next one.